And welcome to another edition of K's and Creations. Today we're making a sticky lemon cauliflower with roasted vegetables and lemon zested rice. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take a half a head of cauliflower. The best way to make the individual florets is to remove the outer leaves of the outer green. You're going to be left with the stalk at the very bottom. Take a small paring knife or a steak knife, what we use in this case, and go ahead and cut out the individual florets. You're just going to keep cutting them out until you just left with the stalk. Go ahead and throw the stalk away. And if you have any larger pieces, go ahead and cut about halfway through. And then just go ahead and separate them with your hand. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And while that's preheating, go ahead and start your batter, which consists of a quarter cup of flour or cornmeal, quarter cup of milk of your choice. We use regular milk, but you can use almond or soy milk if you want to make it vegan. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Go ahead and use a whisk and whisk that around until you get a nice thick batter. Once the batter is thick, go ahead and put your cauliflower into the bag. Add your batter. Go ahead and stir it all up until it's fully coated. You're going to want to put the waste or whatever the leftover into a bag and let it drain. And then go ahead and add your cauliflower to your breadcrumbs. Go ahead and put that on the foil-lined baking sheet. Put that in the oven for 15 minutes. While that is cooking, go ahead and start preparing your rice. Your rice is 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rice. Go ahead and bring that to a boil. And then bring that down to simmer and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, you're going to start on your roasted vegetables. First thing we did is we took our snap peas, we cut the edges off, and then we started focusing on our carrots. Cut our carrots at a slant, at a little angle. Once that is done, we start focusing on the yellow squash. You want to remove the ends. Cut that in half and then lay that flat and then go ahead and cut those into half moons. Next thing you're going to focus on is your red onion. Your red onion you want to go ahead and cut in half. Cut the root off one side for both sides and then remove the outer skin and then cut those into individual slices. And then go ahead and remove that last route. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and put that into a bowl. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And at this point, the cauliflower should have been cooking for about 15 minutes. You're going to go ahead and add that to the other half of the pan. Make sure everything is laid flat as best as you can. And cook the vegetables for about another 15 to 20 minutes or until the cauliflower is nice and brown and the carrots are nice and soft. Now you're going to start making your lemon sauce. You're going to add your vegetable broth, which is a quarter cup. You're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're going to save some for a little bit later. You're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of either pure maple syrup, honey, or agave. You're going to have 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And then you're going to finish it with 1 teaspoon of garlic. And then also about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Just go ahead and stir that all around. And you want to go ahead and add your cornstarch at the very end. And that is going to thicken up the sauce. Once the sauce has been thickened, go ahead and add the cauliflower to the pan. Stir that around so it's nice and coated. And go ahead and plate your dish with about 1/4 cup of rice. Probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons of roasted vegetables. Your roasted lemon cauliflower. There you go. You have a nice dish that you can serve. This should serve about 3 to 4 people. You can find the recipe at http://www.plantobefit.com/blog. Thank you for watching.